friends. How are you? We are good. Welcome to Speak English for Beginners. Are you ready for today's story? Let's begin.
Oh no, you're all alone. It's okay. I won't hurt you.
Higher, Arin, so people can see it from far away.
Now everyone will know he is waiting to go home. I hope so.
Good job, team. Let's put up more.
Biscuit? I found him.
Oh, my sweet Biscuit.
He's okay.
Whoever reaches the big oak tree first gets first pick of the picnic fruit.
Hey, that contest started without warning. Everything looks extra pretty today.
That is what happens when we slow down enough to notice things.
Wait, did you hear that? It sounds like a tiny cry coming from over there. Oh no, you're all alone. It's okay. I won't hurt you. Mom, Dad, Mila, come quick! A puppy! A real puppy! I think he's hurt.
Easy now, little guy. We are just here to help.
He's so cute. He must be cold and scared. Let's make him feel safe first. You're okay now. You're not alone anymore.
He belongs to someone. The tag is damaged, but this means someone is probably searching for him.
Then we have to help him get home. Can we help him find his family? Yes, sweetheart, that is exactly what we should do.
We will find your home, I promise.
Here, drink slowly. You must be thirsty after being out here alone. Good job, buddy. You're already being brave.
He likes you, Arin. I think he knows you're helping him.
Then I think we are friends now.
Best friends.
Excuse me, have you seen this little puppy with anyone today?
He is lost, and we are trying to help him.
Excuse me, have you seen this puppy's owner?
No, sorry. We found him under a bench. Have you seen anyone looking for him? Let me think. No, I'm sorry, I haven't seen anyone. It's okay, Arin, we'll keep looking. He's a lucky pup. What if his family is really far away?
Then we just keep helping one step at a time.
We are not giving up on him.
That's right.
We'll find your home.
Well, who is this little traveler?
We found him alone in the park, and we want to help him get home.
Of course. Let's bring him inside. Let's give this little guy a checkup.
Thank you.
He looks tired and a little hungry, but overall he seems healthy.
That means he is going to be okay, right?
He'll be just fine.
Please let there be a number or address.
No chip, I'm afraid, but the torn tag and collar still give us hope.
We'll find them.
We can make posters, ask more people, and post his picture.
And we can start with the places near the park.
We are going to do everything we can. If people see your face, maybe someone will know you right away. Don't worry, I am making you look extra adorable.
This one should say, found, the sweetest puppy in the world.
That is true, but let's add the park and clinic information too.
Perfect, let's cross out missing and write found.
I'll hold it.
Higher, Arin, so people can see it from far away.
Now everyone will know he is waiting to go home. I hope so.
Good job, team. Let's put up more.
Biscuit, wait! Not that way! You are supposed to be rescued, not become a rocket.
Nice catch, buddy. You were quick.
You scared me for a second, little guy. We have to keep you safe until we find your home. Can he sleep in a basket near my room?
Tonight he can sleep somewhere warm and safe.
And tomorrow we keep searching. He looks like a soggy teddy bear. A very brave soggy teddy bear.
There, much better.
You must miss your family a lot. Don't worry. Tomorrow we'll try again, and I won't stop until you get home. What if someone is crying because they lost him?
That is why what you are doing matters so much. Kind hearts keep going, even when the answer takes time.
He looks like a different puppy today. Maybe he knows we are helping him.
Woof!
Wait, look at this little sunflower on the collar.
That could be a clue. Maybe it connects to a shop or place nearby.
Wow, a real clue! The flower on the sign looks just like the one on Biscuit's collar.
Then this is definitely worth asking about.
We found this little one in the park yesterday. Does this symbol mean anything here?
Yes, we're hoping someone might recognize it.
It looks familiar, does it, sir? Wait, I remember now, this is important. An elderly lady named Mrs. Rosa comes here often with a puppy wearing that same blue collar.
Do you know where she lives?
Yes, she lives just around the corner.
What if this is really where his family lives? Then we are very close now. Maybe you're almost home.
Let's keep going a little longer. I have a feeling we are close. We didn't come this far to stop now.
Wait, you know this place, don't you? Mom, Dad, I think he found something.
Biscuit? I found him.
Oh, my sweet Biscuit.
He's okay.
Oh, my sweet Biscuit, I have been looking everywhere for you. Thank you. Thank you for bringing my little Biscuit home to me.
Arin found him first and never stopped trying.
I knew we had to bring him back.
Bless you, Arin. You have a kind heart. Please come in. Kindness like yours deserves more than a thank you at the gate.
I think this puppy rescue just became even sweeter.
I have had him since he was very small. After my husband passed away, Biscuit became my little sunshine.
I'm really glad he found his way back to you.
Me too, dear.
He's so cute.
A loud sound scared him yesterday near the park, and before I could reach him, he ran.
You must have been so worried.
I was, but now he's safe. I want you to keep this, so you always remember the day your heart led you to help someone small.
I will keep it forever.
One rescue deserves one perfect picture.
Make sure Biscuit looks at the camera this time.
I miss Biscuit already, but I'm happy too.
That is what kindness feels like sometimes.
If one lost puppy needed help, there must be others too. Can we do more than just this once?
That is a very big-hearted question.
It is. We can definitely do more.
Do you think there will be more puppies here?
Probably. And maybe some of them need gentle friends too.
It's okay. You don't have to be scared all at once. I think they can feel when people are gentle.
I thought heroes might need a little thank you visit.
Oh, Biscuit! He's so happy to see you, Arin.
And I brought some homemade cookies to share.
I thought I rescued Biscuit, but maybe he changed me too.
That is what love often does. This was the best kind of adventure.